Well, we made it to a good spot. And man, that is a ledge. Definitely don't want to be going down there. Oh yeah. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be taking the cheap Walmart bike out and we're going to see what this thing's got as far as top speed, maybe hit some jumps, take it to the park. We're just going to have a fun day on the cheap Walmart e-bike. So come on, let's go ahead and get straight into it. Yeah, it's such a nice thing about this. It's not as nice as like a Sur-Ron, Talaria, E-Ride Pro. Obviously, it's just a Walmart bike. But that's why nobody suspects it. I got pedals, I'm legal, I'm chilling. I'm chilling. Oh, woo! Let's go. Big chill. I still think it's a really good looking bike. I'm not mad at it. Especially for what I got into at $800 like total. Can't be mad at that. And nobody's even mad when I'm riding it. I could pass a cop and they don't even blink an eye. Then we out with the pedals. It's always nice. These hub motors don't, at least this one doesn't have like a crap ton of torque. And I could probably play with it in some of the settings, but it's nice to pedal kind of off the line. Ow. Oh. This thing coasts pretty good too. Like I'm not even on the throttle. Still just chilling at like 20. I mean, we are kind of downhill, but this thing coasts really well. And the car is right here in a 45-mile-an-hour zone, so keeping up with traffic pretty decent, I would say. Ooh. Yeah, I mean, for cars in a 45-mile-an-hour zone, us on a Walmart Mongoose, I'd say we're pretty keeping up decent. Not mad. Hey, it's a Hummer. Whee! Oh, shit. Let's go. That's where they get me, is where I gotta cross. I gotta watch for traffic. I ain't trying to get smashed on this. I'm gonna go check out the park. It rained last night, so I'm sure it's gonna be pretty washed out. But it's still worth a ride over there, especially with the range this thing's got. I need to really try to get in there and tune it and get less range and more power, because I know I can. But the messed up thing about this Bafang kit is you gotta have a Microsoft computer to tune it with the tuning cable. I don't have a Microsoft computer. I've got a Mac. And Mac just opens it up and then it crashes. So I have to find me a cheap Microsoft to tune this thing with. Now it should be good to go ahead and do a top speed run. Let's go. Oh yeah. Now it says we're already doing 30. So it looks like our bike speedometer's just a little off. 31. Probably duck down and get a little better. 32. 33. And this is dead flat too. So I know downhill I could hit every bit of 35. Because that's just flat. I mean, you can see that it's just very flat. All right. This is beautiful fall weather. Beautiful. North Carolina. I need to get on some of these trails, but I ain't found a dry one yet. Ooh, water view. Skirt, skirt. Oh, and man, that is a ledge. Definitely don't want to be going down there. No. Probably the camera does it no damn justice. See, the ones right here by the path, they stay pretty dry. Well, these don't have any other fun jumps or anything. Oh yeah. Ooh, nice bank. Ooh, of course. Back on me. Getting ready to duck back in. Whoop. Oh, big hole. Ugh. Hey, I found the trail again. Oh, nice big bank. Ooh, nice rock. Ooh. This thing would be so much better if it had just a little bit of suspension. No, it's got nada. It's got tires. That's what you get. No suspension, just tires. Oh yeah. Yeah, I think these trails are gonna have to wait till another day when I've got a more solidly mounted GoPro. Tell you what, this little kit's doing okay though. Not mad at it. Oh, shoo. This is the more fun part of the course. Just a little rocky here, hey. Oh yeah. Ooh. Thank you, sir. Well, we made it to a good spot. Whew. Tell you what, this is some work getting up here. It's for sure worth it. Oh, all right, let's get back. Well, we came. Oh yeah. Ooh. Oh yeah. Little Walmart bike's got it. Let's go, little bike. All right, I got a good question. Seems like a decent spot to test it. Will this little buffang do a burnout? Reckon we're gonna see. Let's see here. There we go. That's whatever. Tater chip. It does not want to do a burnout. I think I got to do it earlier on a fresh battery, but it doesn't seem like it wants to right now. I really think I'd get a lot more out of this bike too if I tuned it. Oh no, that is not the angle you guys want to see. Don't worry, I'll fix you back up. There we go. All them little jumps have taken a toll on this here mount. That's why action filming with an iPhone is so difficult. We got traffic. Ooh, not anymore. Ooh, ooh. And we're fixed. All better. Hey, there's the popo. Don't mind me, Mr. Police. Need to put this kid on another bike that's got some suspension on it. See how that goes. Whee! Yeah. I'll race your golf cart, buddy. You wanna race? You wanna race me? They don't want to smoke. They don't want the mongoose smoke. They don't want the mongoose smoke. They know. They better know. If they don't, they're gonna find out. Yeah, I'm gonna go up the street. That one's kind of bumpy. See what I mean? At like 20, just kind of like kick them knees. Can't really keep up. Pedaling ain't really doing too good at anything over 20. And anything before 20 definitely helps you get there faster. Oh dang, this would have been a great top speed run place too. I'm pretty happy with 33. I don't think I'm gonna get that much more out of it unless I duck down and do all that other crazy stuff. And I can't even tune the bike yet, so I'm gonna have to get a Microsoft computer so I can tune this thing. This thing's still pretty quick. Quick enough. Well guys, we got this thing to like 33 miles an hour and it was pretty flat. I'm sure down a nice long hill we could probably get a little bit faster than that. Again, I'm gonna trust the GPS instead of the monitor just because I like GPS. Anyways, this thing's done pretty good. If I had to do it over again, I'd probably do it with a bike that had suspension. If I was just gonna drive flat ground all the time or lived at a beach or, you know what I mean, just cruise that didn't care to jump or do anything, this thing's perfect. Looks great, plenty of fun. But as far as me and what I wanna do, I wanna go hit some jumps, I wanna hit some trails. I want a little less range, a little more power, so let's play around with it. We might throw this kit on a different bike. We might just get another kit and do a whole nother bike. We'll see. Thank you guys for watching another video and stay tuned for the next one. See y'all guys later.